Hey guys, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to develop a construction website like this in less than 10 minutes. This is a one-page construction website. So when you click on about, it's going to scroll down and it's going to show you the about us page. And when you click on folio, it's going to also scroll down, take you to the portfolio page. And then click on features, it's going to take you to the features page. And you click on testimonials, it's going to scroll down and take you to the testimonials page. So I'm going to show you how you can develop this kind of website and how you can use the power of AI to generate content for your website and change all of this content that you are seeing right here, right? So first and foremost, we're going to dive into uploading this website. So I have a script to give to you for if you want to develop this kind of website, and I'm going to tell you how you can get access to the script at the end of this video. And of course, you need a C panel, right? So you need to go and purchase a C panel, right? If you need a C panel for this kind of project, you can also contact us. We can help you get a C panel from our server. So this is my C panel, and I have logged into my C panel. So I'm not going to explain how you can purchase a C panel and log into a C panel. Of course, if we purchase a C panel for you and we send you everything, you have your domain name, your C panel username and password, and you will taken directly to this place, and all you need to do is just what type in file. So and you click on file manager. So my aim is to develop this site in less than 10 minutes. So you click on public underscore HTML. So when you click on public underscore HTML, you're going to see a lot of files like this because I already have too many websites on this particular C panel, right? So, but for you, if you click here, you're not going to see any file here. All you need to do is just click on upload. But for me, I'm just going to create a folder here, and I'm going to call it Construct. So that is how to create a folder. I'm going to click on create new, and that is my folder Construct, right? So this is Construct. I'm going to double click on it. It's going to open for me, and I'm going to click on upload, and I'm going to click on select files. So I'm going to click on select files, and it's going to bring out my folder structure, and this is the file. So if I'm giving you access to this file, this is what I'm going to be sending you in less than 1 minute, so that we just be. So I will just do this, and then I will come here and I will extract, and I'll click on extract files, and I'll click on close. I'm going to reload this, and I don't need this anymore, so I'm just going to delete it from my server. And I'm going to double click on this to open that, and I'm going to select all, and I'm going to click on move. Then I'll move it to my folder Construct. For you, you just move to your public underscore HTML, right? So this is my Construct, right? So this is my Construct. So I'm just going to open that. So let us quickly check what we have done. So it's going to be, so this is my that is going to load up for me. You can see that. So right, so this has loaded up for me immediately. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to change this logo, right? So I'm going to come here and say copy image address. So I'm going to put the image address here, and I'm going to see that this image is in asset img then logo.png, right? So I'm going to go to a site called logo AI, logoai.com/make. So I'm going to create a logo. So I'm going to click on this, and I'll say Construct. So I'll show you how you can use AI. So slogan: we build and beautify, right? Or building in your tips, right? So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to generate a lot of logo for me, right? So you see that it's going to generate a lot of logo for me. So using AI, I've been able to generate a lot of logo. So what I want to do right here is that I want to look for a logo. I want to use for a logo that doesn't have a background or a logo with a white background, right? So let me show you what we're going to do right here. So first of all, let us identify the logo that we need. From here. You can click to see more. If you want to click see more logo right here, and then it's going to bring you more logo, right? I really love this. I really love this look. I love this also. Let's see, we're going to see more. I also love this. Oh, I really love this. I love this. So let me use this. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on edit. So then I'm going to click on that again and click on it again. So you can see this came with white background. So if you want to add background to them, you can just click on colors, and they also have background for. This already have white background. This is exactly what I need. So I'm just going to click on my pick tool. This is my pick tool. So if you want to get your pick tool, you can just come here and click on sniping tool, right? So this is my sniping tool. I'll click on new, and I'm just going to come here and save this, right? So let me do that again for you. So you're going to come to your search and search for sniping tool. So this is my sniping tool. I'm going to click on new, and I'm going to use my sniping tool to snipe this. Can you see that? So I'm going to save this as logo. So I'll save it as logo. So I'll save it on my desktop, right? So I'm going to save it on my desktop. So don't forget, it's in asset img then logo. So let's go back to our design. So let's go to assets and let's go to img. So our logo will be right here. So I'm just going to click on upload. I'm going to click on select file, and from my desktop I'm going to click on logo. So this is my new logo. I'm going to ask you to replace the old logo. So you see that with AI, it's just easy for you to actually generate logo. I'm also going to show you how to use AI to generate the text for the website, right? So I'm going to reload that, and I'm going to refresh this. So once you refresh, it's not showing. Just press Ctrl F5. So Ctrl F5 means hard refresh, right? So I want to do hard refresh. Can you see that? In no construct. Awesome. This is really awesome. Right here, you can also use that same process to change any of the images on the website. So the next thing I'm going to do here, we are builder. So I like that text. Design and build. I like that. So the next thing I'm going to do is what I'm going to change all of these text right here. Can you see that? I'm going to change all of these text right here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to ChatGPT, right? I'm going to go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to generate content for me. So if you want to register on ChatGPT, just go to chat.open.ai.com. And when you register on ChatGPT, you know, it's going to ask you your phone number and all of that, and you're going to take you to this. So I'm just going to say, hi, ChatGPT, hi. So I like reading ChatGPT because I love ChatGPT so much. I communicate with ChatGPT. So I'll say, write me a short article for construction company, right? So write a short article for construction company. So you see ChatGPT generated this content for me. Can you see all of that? So as much as planning for us, can you see that ChatGPT is doing all of that for me? So you see that this is so awesome. So you don't need to be cracking your head about content for your website, right? So ChatGPT is doing all of that for me, and can you see that? So awesome, ChatGPT, that's enough, ChatGPT. So I'm just going to copy all of these that ChatGPT has given to me, and I'm just going to put them on a notepad, right? I'm just going to put them on a notepad, right? So construction believes in giving back to communities, operates actively, and so I'm just going to copy something like this, and I'm just going to go back to my website. So I want to use that to replace something like this. So this should be under construction, right? That should be under construction. So let me go back to public notification and let me load my files again, since I lost network. But let's see. My network is going to come back. Awesome. So what I'm going to do right now is here's my inner construct. So I'm going to open it up and I'm just going to come to the index.html. So there are other many pages in this website. In case you want to use many pages, you can go ahead and activate them and edit them. But this is the only page I'm using right here, and it's a one-page website. So I'm going to click on edit. So when I click on edit, all I'm going to do is what construction company. So you see that construction company. So I will just say construction company using company for all. So you see that I'm trying to edit the website, right? I'm trying to edit the website. So if I scroll down here, I can just do something like construction, Control F, and I'll say construction. So I'll say construction. So if I say construction, press that again. So construction home, right? Construction home. So I want to see, here we have the Laura Ipsum. Okay, you have the Laura Ipsum. So let's go back to our design. So this is our design, and so maybe after the header, so after we have construction. So let's see. Okay, let's do something like this. So let's just come here, Laura Ipsum, and then let's come here. So I'm going to put this right here. So this is the Laura Ipsum I want to change. Can you see that? So I'll change all this Laura Ipsum text here. So let's go back to our text from ChatGPT. So I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to come here and replace what I have there. Yeah, so you see ChatGPT has provided us what we need to put here. So I'm just going to save that and come here and try to refresh this. Awesome. So so always do F5 when you're refreshing and you're not seeing what you're supposed to see. So just do F5. So when you refresh with your F5, you're going to control F5, you're going to get your desired result, right? Okay, so this has finished loading, right? That was finished loading, and okay, so the changes I made came to on Abados. So I only want to make these changes here after construction. So let's manually look for this particular, this came under Abados, so but I need this. So let's manually look for this particular one. If we copy everything here and put on our, it may not give us everything. So, but let's see. So if we do this, okay, so it actually brought everything for us that we need to change. So I just press enter there, which is that subtitle for that. So all I need to do is just to go to ChatGPT again and do something like this. Let me take something from ChatGPT again. So I can just come down here and so I can just take this. I can just take this from ChatGPT. Sorry, I want to do this again. So take it from ChatGPT, and I'm going to replace all of that. So this is where I'm using AI to build my website, right? I'm using AI to build my website. So I'm going to refresh that again and see what that is going to give us. So as usual, let us do Control F5. So it's lower, it's someone we have them all over the site. So we're just going to try to look for the one we are trying to change. But I think that is the one we are trying to change. Let me look. It's supposed to be under construction. But yeah, what other people say about us. But I'm seeing it as under what other people say about us. So okay, we can manually actually check for these. So after we get the menu, we're going to get the banner. So this is the menu code, and we're going to get the banner code. So from here we have the banner code right here. So from the banner code, so this is we are builders, design and building it up. So these are what you're seeing on the banner that is displaying, right? So we can also scroll down more and see. So look at this particular load. Is some subtitle under construction. So this is the subtitle under construction. So let's just come down here again and change this particular one right here. So I'm going to change that right here. So as usual, I'm going to go to my article I generated from ChatGPT and also get some good information, content from that particular one. So individual model technology and construction. So I'm just going to take this from here, right? So I'm going to put it there and I'm going to save. So as usual, let's do our Control F5 and see what we got right there. Awesome. So you see that inner construction embraces got the edge technology to modern technology to remain the front end. Can you see that? So and you can see we have also changed that with all of that. So we can also under what we offer, right? You can see under what we offer, we can also change that. So if I go to what we offer, under what we offer, and they come here and put what we offer. So we're going to see the Laura Ipsum under what we offer too, and we're just going to go there and so just remove that and also copy from your ChatGPT text and so I can come here now. Record, you see that this is a very fine one, so I can just copy all of this and let's go back to what we have here and we'll just place that right here. Can you see that? So let's go back to the website and this one will be changed and you can see our services, prepared services, wall painting services. So I can also ask ChatGPT to do a little article for me on wall painting. I can say, go back to my ChatGPT. I can say ChatGPT just write me 20 words for wall painting, right? Write me 20 words for wall painting. Okay, now that's not what I want. It's a ChatGPT. Write me 20 words description on, you see that, I'll do something like this and so you see that ChatGPT goes so awesome. Specific colors, spread into doors, fiber and mesmerize, calculate eye, create strokes. So masterpiece and all of that. So I can do something like this, and I can come here and put that right here and use them to pick on one text. All right, so I can just copy that and come here. Right, so on our wall painting, I can replace what I have on our wall painting here. So I can come here now and say wall painting. So when I come to say wall painting, it's going to show me what is on our wall painting. So this is it right here. And I'm just going to use my ChatGPT content I put right there. So I'm going to save that and let's refresh that. Right, I'm going to save that and refresh that. So you see that wall paint is here. You see that it has given us this. So I can do for this, I can do for this, I can do for this. Very, very simple. I can also come here on the testimonial and I'll tell ChatGPT like, oh ChatGPT, we have about 6 testimonial here. I'll say write me a short testimonial for construction. So since I'm talking about construction, ChatGPT already knows, so I may not put that again. I say write me a short testimonial. So ChatGPT, we already know that I'm asking for testimonial from this company. So you see that I must trade with a solid price. So they're coming from start to finish the CDI expedition and so I can just come here and copy here and I'll go back to here, right here, and this is George Slew. So I'm just going to come here and check for George Slew. George Slew. So this is George Slew. This is George Slew testimonial. So I'm just going to remove this testimonial and then put the testimonial from George Slew. If I also want to change the name, I can also change the name, right? I can also change that particular name. So you see that I'm using ChatGPT to write testimonials, right? So I can put this here. So it will be provided by Construction Company, right? So I'm going to save that. So if you like, you can also change the name, right? You can also change that name, right? You can also change that name. So let's do Ctrl F5 again and let's see what we have done there. So you see that Church Slow. Okay, Church Slow, which one do we use? Okay, I think everyone is saying, okay, this is one we change. So, and everyone is saying Just Slow. So we're going to change that Just Slow name, right? But we have any Just Slow. So you can say then Carlos, right? So we also have for Barbara. Can you see that this is for Barbara Douglas? So I can also come to ChatGPT and say, okay, I can even use from here their team of experts. So you don't need to do another one. I just say a team of experts. You see that I can copy this one. So I can form 3 testimonials from this, or I can tell ChatGPT to actually do more for me. So these are very simple things. I can just copy all of these right here and so I can do that. So you can see that. So I can do that and then can change this name and I can say so you can use ChatGPT to do all of that in less than 10 to 20 minutes. You see that's what ChatGPT has done for me. I can also add to make sure this is so. Even I can also copy their image address, and can copy their image address. Look at their image. I can copy their image address, and I can actually also use the same skill to change their email address, right? So you see that this is very simple, and in less than 5 minutes you can get all of that done, right? So on this map you can also change this map, right? This map here, you can also change this map right here. Can you see that? You can also change this map right there. So all you need to do is just to generate the code from Google Map, right? So let's just say something like contact us. So the map comes before contact us, right? We had a map before contact us. So we are going to see the map code. Let me just go map. So this is the map code right here. So this is the map code right here. So this is it right here. Look at the map code right here. So I just type map and it came up. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just go to google.com/maps. Getting now. So I just go to google.com/maps. So whatever address you want to use, you can just use USA. Let me see. Let me just find any address from US, United States. So you see that. So maybe I'll just put the address. I will say, okay. So this is a particular address, right? So I'm not going to click on share. So you need to do just put that code and you put on share. So then you copy the link, embed a map, and then medium. You can also do large. Whatever you want to do, you can just do copy the code, and then if I come right here, I'm just going to put that code right here. Then I'm going to save this. So when I do that, and I'm going to do Control F5. So when I do that, it's going to change the map for me, right? So I can go ahead and just begin to change all of this information one by one. These are very simple information that you can actually change on your own, which will not going to take you a lot of time for you to actually achieve, right? So this is as simple as ABC, using the power of AI to support your design, right? Awesome, right? This is really awesome. So our map is showing right here. So you just can do Control F5 to make sure that your site is loading perfectly well, right? So in less than 10 to 20 minutes, you can actually get this up and running, right? You can actually get this up and running and deliver this website to your clients who need construction website using the power of the template that I just used for this, and using the power of AI to make the logo, and using the power of AI to get your text, right? So you can see that these are very simple stuff for you to actually do, right? So you go ahead and make sure that you get all of this done. So all of these you can actually get them done. You can change everything that you want to change. You can even change the image. All of them have image location. So go ahead and try this out, and for the sake of having a portfolio, you can also just do this and have it as a portfolio to show your clients whenever they ask you to show portfolio for your client. So guys, this is where I'll be drawing the curtains, and I will be giving out this script for just 30,000 naira. So if you're in Nigeria and you need access to the script, it's just 30,000 naira. And if you're not in Nigeria, you need access to the script, it's just $50. And I'm going to give you access to the script. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and smack the like button so that anytime I drop these videos like this, you get to see them, and you get to learn a lot from me. Please subscribe to this channel, and make sure you leave a comment to encourage me on this channel. And if you have any uh, need for any kind of website, I am your shop lord. So you can always reach out to me, and I'm going to help you design any kind of website, code any kind of website for you. So guys, thank you for this video, and I hope to see you in the next video.